Okay, here we've got a 2016 Mini that we've installed a Thatcham Category 2-circuit Cobra touch key vehicle immobiliser to. When the system's armed, which it does automatically after you turn the ignition off, little red light flashes to show that it's immobilised and the car won't start. So we've got the key there. Try to start the car, foot on the brake, foot on the clutch. You see the car won't start. Okay. So what you need to do in order to deactivate the system is grab one of your two electronic touch keys. They're unique to each system. Just a brief push in there, wait for the LED to go out, which it has. Try again, clutch and brake, engine starts and runs. There we go. So then when we turn the ignition off, approximately 25 seconds later, the LED will once again start to flash, showing the system is automatically immobilised. Okay, Thatcham Category 2, insurance approved to keep the insurance company happy on this 2016 Mini.